Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to upload high quality videos on TikTok. First thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the plus button at the bottom center of your screen to begin uploading or recording. Now choose a video from your gallery or recording you want using TikTok's camera. You can add filters, text, sounds or effects if you wish. Now choose After editing, tap next to proceed to the post customization screen. Write your caption or description in the provided text box and add relevant hashtags to help TikTok recategorize your video. Mention friends using if you like. Now before posting, scroll down and tap More Options. Toggle on the Upload HD setting to ensure your video uploads in high definition, then return to the previous screen. Now all you have to do is tap Post to upload your HD video to TikTok. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.